Hello friends, as we have started this series of MCQ of the states of matter. So today we are going to discuss the second part of this series. What is the problems here? Where equal weights of ethane and hydrogen are mixed in an empty container at 25 degrees Celsius. The fraction of total pressure exerted by hydrogen is. Clear to everyone? So what is given here? First thing, ethane is given. What is the formula of ethane? Ethane, its formula is C2H6. This is the formula of the ethane. Next one is a hydrogen. As we know that hydrogen, it is present in its molecular form. So it is H2. They are having the equal weight. So WC2H6 is equal to WH2. That we will consider X gram. Clear? Are mixed in the empty container, means one empty container is there, and in that they have taken these two gases whose mass is same, whose temperature is 25 degree Celsius. Clear? The fraction of total pressure exerted by hydrogen, that we have to find out, means we have to find that pressure of hydrogen to the pressure of total pressure ratio, that we have to find out. Clear to everyone? Now see here, if we consider that one formula we have studied already, that is the Dalton's law of pressure. After that we have seen that Dalton's law of partial pressure, that partial pressure related to the mole fraction, and in that we have written that formula P1 is equal to X1 into Pt. So here if we consider P1, either ethane or the hydrogen, P2, it is either this one or anyone we can consider. So here they asked about the hydrogen, so we will write here PH2 is equal to XH2 into Pt. So here if we consider, what we have to find out, PH2 by Pt. So if we rearrange this formula, PH2 divided by Pt is equal to XH2. Means whatever will be the mole fraction of H2, that will be the our answer. So for that purpose, mole fraction of hydrogen is equal to number of moles of hydrogen divided by number of moles of hydrogen plus number of moles of ethane. Before going towards that main formula, we will calculate the NH2 and NC2H6. Here that WH2, that we have considered X. What about the molar mass of hydrogen? That will be 2. What about this C2H6? Here C2H6, number of carbon 2. So 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 6, that is the 30. So molar mass of C2H6 is 30. That we are taking at the denominator. What about the mass? That is same for the hydrogen as well as ethane. That's why we are taking here X. So in this way we got these details. Now we will put all this data in this main formula. So here XH2 is equal to NH2 is X by 2 divided by, here what is that, X by 30. So X by 2 plus X by 30. So equal to X by 2 divided by, so we have to make here base same for the addition purpose. So what we will do, so here that 15x plus x divided by 30, and in this way x by 2 divided by 16x divided by 30, and finally x by 2 into 30 divided by 16x. 2 15s are 30. So here x will get cancel, and XH2 is equal to 15 by 16. Clear to everyone? So here they have asked here that ratio. So our answer will be 15 as to 16. Now here this is the correct answer, option D. In this way we will discuss next one. Now see, this is the second one. What is that? The density of methane at 2 atmospheric pressure and 27 degrees Celsius. In a one sentence only that objective is there. But how to solve here? Density, we have to find out the density, which is denoted by symbol D. Whose density? Methane. Its formula is CH4 at 2 atmospheric pressure. Means pressure is given, that is the 2 atmospheric pressure. What is that 27 degrees Celsius? Means temperature is given, that is the 27 degrees Celsius. So firstly we will convert into Kelvin, and that will be 300 Kelvin. Clear to everyone? So which formula we have to use and what should be known to us? Now see here, simply if we consider formula, what is that? PV is equal to nRT. In that, instead of N, we are using that formula related to the number of moles, that is W divided by molar mass into RT. Simply, what is the relation between density, volume and mass? As we know that density is equal to mass upon volume, and that is nothing but the D is equal to W by V. So is it possible to maintain that formula? Yes. How? See here. P is equal to W is nothing but the mass divided by V into RT divided by M. So instead of that we will take the density, and that formula will be PM divided by RT is equal to density. Now simply we have to put all the values and we can calculate that density. So see here, density is equal to pressure, it is 2 atmospheric pressure. Molar mass, what about the molar mass of the methane? That is carbon 12 plus 4 hydrogen, that is the 16. So into 16 divided by R value. Value of R is, we have to take here 0.0821 into temperature is 300 Kelvin. After this calculation we will get the answer, and that answer will be 1.30 gram per liter. So what is the density of methane? That is the 1.30 at 27 degrees Celsius temperature and 2 atmospheric pressure. So here option C is our correct answer. So in this way we will discuss the next question also. Now see, this is the third objective. What is that? If pressure becomes double, at the same, what is the same thing that we'll discuss? Same absolute temperature. So as we have seen, in which law they have given constant temperature terms. So as we know that Boyle's law, in that Boyle's law temperature is constant. In Charles law, as we know that in Charles law pressure is constant. In the Gay-Lussac's law there is a volume term is constant. Clear to everyone? So in this way if we observe, then we have to apply this Boyle's law. What is that Boyle's law? Boyle's law is at constant temperature pressure is inversely proportional to volume, and according to that we can use the formula, that is the P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Clear? Here we got the formula. Now we have to observe what is given in that numerical. So here pressure becomes double. So if we consider P1 is equal to X, then P2 will be double, means 2X. Clear to everyone? Temperature is constant. On 2 liter of CO2, what is the volume? V1 is 2 liter. Then the volume of CO2 becomes, we have to find out here, V2. Everything is given, simply we have to put all this given data in this formula and we will get our final answer. Now see here, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. What we have to find out? V2. So just we are rearranging this formula. So V2 is equal to P1 V1 divided by P2 equal to P1 is X. What about the V1? V1 is 2 liter. What about the P2? P2 is 2X. So everything is get cancelled. 2 to get cancelled, XX get cancelled, means V2 is equal to 1 liter. Clear to everyone? So this is our final answer. So if we consider the option D is the correct answer. We will discuss another one, that will be the last objective from this series. Now see here, this is the last one. What is that? Pressure of mixture. What we have to find out? Pressure of the mixture. So we will write here pressure of mixture. Means simply we can say that pressure, total pressure also, because mixture means we have to consider total pressure. Okay, finally we will discuss that total pressure we have to find out of 4 gram of, gram means mass is given, so W of O2, that is how much it is? 4 gram of O2, and 2 gram of H2 means WH2 is also given, that is the 2 gram. Confined in a volume of 1 liter. Liter means it is the volume. Volume is given, that is the 1 liter at 0 degrees Celsius. Temperature is given, that is the 0 degrees Celsius. So we will convert into the Kelvin, and that is the 273 Kelvin. Clear to everyone? So here we got all the details whatever given in that numerical. Now if we consider this numerical, this given data, from that we have to use the formula PV is equal to nRT, as well as we know that if we want to find out the total pressure, that is nothing but the pressure exerted by two gases, that is a pressure exerted by the oxygen as well as of the hydrogen. So instead of individually calculating that by using this formula, that pressure, here we can say that pressure that will be different because volume will be same, that is the 1 liter, temperature is same, R is the universal gas constant, and N we can find out for the each gas. So if we consider that formula like that, PV is equal to number of moles of, whose number of moles we have to consider, that is of the oxygen plus number of moles of the H2 into RT. What we have to find out? We have to find out the total pressure. So P is equal to number of moles of O2 means WO2 divided by MO2 plus NH2 means WH2 divided by MH2 into RT divided O2, that is the 4. Molar mass of the oxygen, that is the, I will write here that O2 like that. So 16 to 2 is 32 plus WH2, that is the 2 gram. Molar mass of hydrogen, that is also 2. R 0.0821 into temperature as we have calculated, that is the 273 Kelvin divided by that volume is here, and that volume is 1 liter. So in this way if we consider 4 8s are 32, 2 1s are 2 1s are 1. So here 1 by 8 plus 1 into 0.0821 into 273. Finally, if we consider this one, 9 by 8 into 0.0821 into 273. And this calculation is nothing but finally our answer is there. And that final answer is 25.215 atmospheric pressure. So here we have completed that second part of this series of MCQ. In this way we will complete more series of the MCQ also. Thank you all of you.